For those that are interested in the Madeliene McCann case and the parents' involvement, I have this piece here from richplanet.net, and it's got April the 30th 2007 in the right hand top corner. Alright, now Madeliene was not supposed to have gone missing until May the 3rd, when she was reported by her parents as having gone missing. Now this is, let's go down one, okay, and out one. This here is help to find Madeliene McCann. Okay, let me just get this here. Okay. Right. I wonder if you can see it even better on that. The original. Just at the top there. Above her face. Help to find Madeliene McCann. Okay. Then we have it in various languages underneath. And it reads. This is what it reads. Okay. To download a copy of the Madeliene McCann campaign poster, please click here. And then it goes off into various languages again. Alright. So she's gone missing on the 30th. Again, the 30th of April 2007. Now, you tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on. Your child goes missing. And it's probably on the 29th of April. And then this comes out on the 30th. Okay? You as a parent, two people, mother, father, are going to keep quiet about it until the 3rd of May? Isn't that rather odd? Eh? At least 5 days later, you're going to make an announcement that your child has gone missing. So you're going to sit around, are you? And you're going to be laughing and joking and playing with the kids in May, up until the 3rd of May, carrying on as though nothing has happened. How can this be printed on the 30th of April? Because it was accidentally, that's what it was. It was in the system. We've seen this before, except we've seen it with hoaxes. Alright? And it's traced back to a Jim Gamble who put this together. Okay. In the Department of Intelligence in Scotland Yard, Terrorism Division. Who was then the Chief Executive of the Child Exploration and Online Protection Centre. Protecting children. He put this together. When did he put it together? At least the 29th, published on the 30th. How did he know? He's back in England. How did he know? There's the parents carrying on as usual, enjoying their holiday with their children, and one child is missing. Madeliene. And they contact Jim Gamble? They had to have done. How else would he have known to publish this? To put it together and publish it? Right? Tell me that. And 11, I don't know if you can read that, but I'll tell you what, I'll put this up here. 11 people viewed it. I don't know if you can quite catch that. On the left hand side, 11 people viewed it. So 11 people knew about it. Or was it within the office themselves? Or was it Gamble going back, Jim Gamble, the officer, going back and checking it to see if it was all hunky-dory? Okay? But please tell me, how can you, as father and mother, go ahead, enjoying yourself, sitting round a table even with friends and saying, oh, Madeleine's all right, the children are all right, knowing that Madeleine is gone days ago? So you that out there that say, well, you know, you suspect, common sense, sound reason, intuition, tells you there's something drastically wrong here. There certainly is. When this can be published, these are date stamped by the internet. They can't be altered. And who would want to alter the 30th of April? Come on now. I mean, seeing that Jim Gamble put this out through his department, the CEOP here, okay? Okay, that's Chief Executive of Child Exploitation Protection Centre. Why did he put it out on the 30th? Surely he would have put it out on the 3rd of May. Yes, the whole thing stinks to high heaven. The whole darn thing. Gamble knows. Oh, he stood on a stage and gave a speech that he didn't know. He knew. Of course he knew. Look at it. He put this out on the 30th. At least 5 days before the child went missing. So what was Jerry and Kate McCann doing? Covering up. Had no fondness, no love for Madeleine. Or for none of their children for that matter. Because they never proved it. Never proved their love for the children. Was it just a lifestyle choice? Oh, we're married, must have children, must have car, must have this, must have that. I mean, there was no upset by this couple. The child's gone missing. Your own child, your own flesh and blood. And they just carried on as normal. Why didn't they report it? Report the event on what would have clearly been something like the 29th. It may be even earlier. Alright, but it's 30th here. Okay, it was published. Why is it that they held back? I mean, if you're a parent, you're going to be distraught. You're going to be beside yourself. My child's gone missing. Why? Why weren't they beside themselves? Why did they hold back and carry on a normal life? And then decide, oh yes, I think it's going to be about time that we declared that Madeleine has disappeared, perhaps been kidnapped. Oh yes, oh, she died in her apartment. Oh, the sniffer dogs said so. Oh, and in the car that Jerry took the body away. I mean, he didn't take the body away, but it was dead. There's a cadaver in this hire car. But the whole point being is that they sat there and enjoyed life without any concern about their own flesh and blood. And a child. What monsters of this couple are. What absolute monsters. And of course it is an excellent point that people make. This couple were members of the general public. You I and everybody else. We're not fixed with Parliament. Okay? We are the plebs. Plebs. So what is the British government, Gordon Brown, getting involved in all this? The security services getting involved with all this to cover this up. I mean, this is just, as we say, normal couple. 2 doctors. So what? Why all this help and assistance? Why make the case go away with the Portuguese police? There's more to the eye that goes on here, I can tell you. Some say, well, Rich Planet puts forth that it may be that they were agents of the British government, or rather working on behalf of the British government in the role of doctors, or being doctors. They did this second job for the British government, spying on what the government said at the time was the IRA. Alright? The IRA. But when it came to the public, it was the real IRA. As though there was no IRA prior to the real IRA. What bombed Canary Wharf? What bombed the Post Office Tower? What bombed the markets? What bombed the pubs? Eh? Tell me. I've seen it all in London being bombed. Disgusting. It not just disgusting, but it's in the 70s. In the 70s. Horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. Bombs in letterboxes. Walk past and letterbox. Cast iron letterbox. Bump. So weren't they the authentic IRA, Mr. Government? No. It's all about bent politics. All about the good, so-called Good Friday Agreement. Under that, you can't have the former IRA as being real. Because we're supposed to have made peace with them. They never made peace with anybody. Anyhow, this is done on the 30th of April. This is published. Campaign to search for Madeliene McCann. Square that one.